A diet that lacks healthy fats could result in slowed hair growth or even hair loss. Fish oil supplements are an excellent source of healthy fats to support healthy hair follicles. Fish oil is the fat or oil that is extracted from the tissues of certain fishes. It is one of the natural sources of omega-3 fatty acids, mainly EPA and DHA. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil are full of nutrients as well as proteins. The nutrients help nourish the hair follicles, thus promoting hair growth. Along with this, they also strengthen the hair roots, thus ensuring that there is no hair fall. There are two ways you can use fish oil for hair growth. The first way is to include fish oil into your diet. There are a lot of fish that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Include wild-caught fish like salmon, tuna, sardine, mackerel, herring, lake trout, etc. in your diet. By including them in your diet at least 2 to 3 times a week, you can get the right benefits that will help in hair growth. Number 2. Try fish oil supplements. If you don't eat enough omega-3 foods, try fish oil supplements available in the market. Fish oil supplements are available in capsule or liquid form. Consult with an expert to know the correct doses based on the type of your fish oil supplement.